Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular product tools out there, Todoist and Trello. Both apps are loved by millions, but which one is truly better for you? Well, by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly which one fits your workflow, your personality, and your product style. Why this comparison matters? Productivity tools are like shoes. They have to fit you. Markers break down how. I'm John. I'm breaking down how Todoist and Trello help you stay organized, manage projects, and get more done. It does have personal favorite, but don't worry. Both tools shine in different ways. Let's look at what makes each one powerful. Todoist. Clean, fast, and focused. Let's start with the Todoist. Todoist is perfect for people who want simplicity, speed, and clean daily workflow. Simple task-based system, clean interface with minimum distraction, great for daily lists. Natural language input, e.g. meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. Powerful filter and label. Easy to use for personal routine, small project, and habit tracking. Todoist is all about clarity. It's the tool you pick if you want to open your app and immediately know what needs to be done. No clutters, no confusion. It's also great for people who enjoy checking tasks off and feeling that sense of daily accomplishment. Trello is built for people who like visualizing their workflow. Instead of simple lists, Trello uses boards, lists, and cards, almost like digital whiteboard. Extremely visual interface, perfect for project management, excellence for team and collaboration, drag and drop organization, integration and automation, power up. Great for big picture plan. If Todoist feels like clean notebook, Trello feels like a giant table where you lay out all your ideas. Trello works best when you're handling complex projects and teamwork, or processes that move through stage like to do, doing, and done. Which one is actually better? So which one wins? John shared that his personal prefers one over the other, but he is clear you can't go wrong with either Todoist or Trello. Why? Because they build different kind of productivity. If you want something fast, simply and focused, Todoist is your friend. If you want workflow visualization, teamwork, and full project management, Trello is the best choice. There is no wrong answers. It depends on system you want to build. If you're still unsure which one to pick, John encourages you to try both. Use Todoist for a week to manage your daily tasks, then use Trello for a week to plan out project or goals. You will quickly see which one feels more natural. Remember, the best productivity tool is the one you will actually use. So whether you choose Todoist or Trello, you're setting yourself up for better planning and better productivity. Both tools have their own strengths and neither one is a mistake. Explore them, experience with them, and build systems that work for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment telling us which tools you prefer, Todoist or Trello. Thank you and bye-bye.